Hello everyone, hope everyone is doing good. So class 8, this is a revision lecture for introduction to history, that is your first chapter, how, when, where, right? So history is exactly the study of past events and is much more than memorizing dates. What is important is how did it happen, when did it happen, and where did it happen. Now, what next? History is all about the changes that occur over time, like finding how things were in the past and how things have changed. Now, there are 5 types of castes in Hinduism: Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, Shudras, and Dalits. Brahmins are the priests, are the academics, followed by the Kshatriyas, who are the warriors and king. Then the Vaishyas, the business communities. Then comes the Shudras, which are exactly the servants, subordinates, Vaishyas, Kshatriyas, and Brahmins. Now, the Dalits are exactly the untouchables. Now, they do all the lower order work subordinate to them. James Renell. Who is James Renell? If I talk about James Renell, he was born on December 3, 1742 in England. He died on March 29. He was the leading British geographer of his time, and he made the accurate map of India, joined East India Company, and became Surveyor General of Bengal. Britannica East India Company, English company formed by the exploitation of trade with East and Southeast Asia and India, incorporated by Royal Carter on December 31. Now, if I start with it, you know that it started with a monopolistic trading body, एंड बाद में ये जो कंपनी है दैट गॉट इन्वॉल्व विद लॉट ऑफ पॉलिटिक्स एंड अ लॉट ऑफ ब्रिटिश imperialism in India, right? The activities of the company in China in 19th century are also served as catalyst for expansion of British influence there. Now you can see this is the official of East India Company riding in an Indian procession. Now you can see history is referred to span of time. You definitely cannot determine a specific date when British rule was started, as it happened over span of time. Similarly, we have developed a taste of drinking tea over a period of time. You can see the advertisement next to it. Past versus present, you know that the earlier history was associated with strings of dates, and this is because history is used to keep a track record of battles and big events. Now, if I talk about more exactly, for example, how people earned their livelihood and how did they produce, how eat, how exactly all that happened. So dates have become a very important criteria when we assume that a particular set of events are important, right? Now we know who is Warren Hastings. You can see he was a competent, honorable, far-sighted man, and the controversy around him was exactly subject of impeachment and trial in Great Britain. You know that things might quite very clear. I have discussed that, right? Now, what you can see over here is the criteria to periodize, which is a Scottish economist, and you can say I'm talking about James Mill, guys, right? History of British India, where the history of India was exactly divided in 3 periods: Hindu, Muslim, and British. Now further we'll be discussing that in another series. Thank you for watching.